Why do I say product over talent? I say it for a few reasons, but the main reason is us being African Americans, Black Native Americans, whatever you want to call yourself. We have to have a product in America, a service, a business in order to be free. Because if we don't, that means we have to ask somebody for something. Like we got to make sure we give our kids Americanized names so they can get a job. Think about it. In order to break that chain, we got to create our own. So it's products over talent. Yeah, you talented in basketball. Yeah, you talented in football. Yeah, you talented in this. But what about learning a talent? Learning the skill, learning how to use money, manipulate money, let money work for you, and still utilize your talent and still get paid off of that too. But at the end of the day, you're going to need a product. You're going to need something that's yours, something that you can pass down to your kids. And I just realized that being independent, no matter what I do for these folks, they're quick to replace me for one of their own, or they'll hold me back because they're trying to grow their business. Think about it. So I got to do my thing. I got to grow my business. I got to have a product, a service in order for me to win. And I get it now. At first I didn't, but now I do. And that's why I say it too, because I even heard Master P say that, man, you got to have a product. It's about a product. It's more than just being talented. Use your talent, to get the products or create the services. But hey, 2020, man, we got to be independent. We got to start putting some time to the side to create some products, to create some accounts, so that way we can pay for our cost of living and we can live even better. Because one thing for a fact, people say what they want to say, but as long as we here, we got to pay for everything, everything. Hog on.